Alright. Don't know how long it's been since this thing last worked, but this is a breakdown from right here. Just have these one, two, three pieces that go back in. This is a lot of debris that I just cleaned out before I clean up any of these other parts. So, just the clean out part. This one phase of it here. I think I've gotten everything that I can get. And then we'll have to run the cycle through here shortly. But stay tuned. Alright, just got these pieces cleaned up. When it was clogged up, none of this stuff would move around. So now it's able to spin freely, if that's what it needs to do. There's that piece, refurbished, cleaned up. And there's that piece, refurbished and cleaned up. This is the debris and stuff that came out of the bottom there. And we'll hit this part right here and hope for the best. So yeah, that's the finished up, cleaned up powder thing. So let's just run a cycle through and see how it works. Alright, so it has already went past its heavy wash. Now it's down to the normal wash. It hasn't dripped any water or anything. And that's what it looks like. And it was kind of nasty, but it's working just fine at this point. So and I got it on high temp wash and high heat dry. And other than it just needs a little bit more cleaning up. I think it might be working just fine.